Welcome friends to today's video. Today we are going to share such a miraculous drink which has proved itself useful against the risk of deadly cancer. And not to worry, this is not a fairy tale magic potion miracle, but a natural scientific one. We are talking about the amazing drink mix of apple, beetroot, carrot and lemon. People from all over the world have testified for the improvement that this drink brings on one's health. And it is nothing surprising as the drink is 100% natural and is prepared from fresh fruits only. Besides preventing cancer, it cures medical conditions related to liver, kidney, pancreas as well as stomach ulcers. It will improve your eyesight. And if your body complains after each workout session, then it is the go-to drink for you. This drink will keep your skin healthy and give it a natural glow, strengthen your lungs, and regulate high blood pressure. If you are troubled by acne popping on your skin just when you don't want them to, try this drink before going for any chemical treatment. Now let us know how you can prepare this drink at home hassle-free. For that, wash an apple, a beetroot, a carrot and a lemon and chop them into pieces without peeling. Put these pieces into the juicer and mix well. Drink the juice fresh from the juicer to gain maximum from its nutritional value. So friends, try this juice and see for yourself the amazing health benefits it brings to you no less miraculously. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.